So what is up mga ka-tech shop? So for today's video mga ka-tech shop, I have here an Oppo A5S and this phone doesn't turn on for some reason, and I just noticed that something's going on in the power button. I cannot press it properly, so it could be a power switch problem or power button, the one that we press. So if you're interested in this video mga kitik shop, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's go! Alright mga kitik shop, as you can see, I just tried charging the phone but nothing, no display. However, it vibrates when I tested it, so I have a feeling that the motherboard is still working. So let's go ahead and disassemble the phone. We'll apply heat to the back of the cover and then start prying the edges. I'm just using a blade and a prying tool or this guitar pick. Just pry it. Once you pry the edges of the back cover, don't separate it yet from the phone because there is still a fingerprint flex cable. We don't want to damage that one. And then let's clean up the glue. I like cleaning it up first before removing the back cover, and remove all the screws. Then start prying the edges again for this second layer of the back cover. So once we remove this back cover, we should have access to the battery, the flex cable for LCD, and the charging board, then the motherboard. So as you can see, the power switch doesn't look good. So obviously there's a problem with that power switch. And let's deattach the battery. So let's power it on without using the power switch. We just need to short out those two pins and it should power on the phone. So I feel it vibrate when I try to power it on, but there's no display. So I was wondering if the display here is working. Just to confirm, I had to try it with a different LCD. So I can feel that it's turning on. It's just that there's no display on the screen.
Oppo A5S.
So I tested it with an LCD. It's a broken LCD, but we can still use this LCD for testing. As you can see, it turns on and touch is working. So there's also a problem with the LCD for this phone. So let me fix first the power switch. As you can see there, it doesn't look good. We'll replace it with a new power switch. And after that, I was able to turn it on with that power switch and proceed with replacing the LCD. So basically, I just apply heat on that flex cable of the power switch. It's gonna melt the lid, soldering lid, and it's gonna hold that power switch once it dries up. All right. So let's replace the LCD for this phone. Before we attach the new LCD, we'll have to test it first just to make sure we have a working LCD. And I also tested the power switch. and it seems to be working because I managed to power it on. All right, turns on and tested the touch. Good. Now we are ready to assemble or attach the LCD. So let's remove the battery and this old LCD. Apply heat so we can easily remove this broken LCD. So you may follow the process there. And if you're interested in the tools that I've been using in my repairs, you can check the links on the descriptions. And then let's apply glue. So before you apply glue, we'll need to make sure to clean the edges of this frame so that once you apply the glue, it's gonna hold the LCD. Now we are ready to attach this new LCD to the frame. All right, insert the flex cable in the hole and attach the LCD. And then with a rubber band, it's gonna hold the LCD, and we'll wait for an hour until the glue dries up. And then after an hour, we can remove this rubber bands and clamps. All right, we are ready to assemble the phone. Let's test it first. Let's attach the flex cable to the motherboard and then apply some glue so that it's gonna hold the battery. Testing, and it's working. So we are ready to apply the back cover. And then I'm just using glue gun because as you can see on the frame, it's broken. So I'm just using just to support this LCD. And then put on the screws. And finally attach the flex cable for fingerprint and then the back cover. Alright, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's go.